on, come on, come on.
Bye-bye, cat.
Bye-bye, hurry up. Yes, I'm home alone. Let's go, let's go. Time to party. Oops, okay, heading this way. Jump. Got it. Running, running, ready to party. Off to my secret spot. All right, I'm almost there. Let's get this party started. Shake it, shake it. Oh, my head.
Ah, what the?
Oops, sorry.
Again. What do we have here? Empty again. Okay, I'm broke. I get it. All right, let's keep looking. Oh, what's this? Marshmallows. Let's get them out. Come on, you little ones.
No, 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 it's mine.
No, it's mine, cat. Sorry, yummy. That turned out great. Well, it's time for a snack. So tasty. Awesome.
Ah, you flesh bag.
Oh, I'm stuffed. Time for a nap.
We're gonna settle this right now. There. I'll cut your nails.
What's this? Ha, cat. Did you think you could outsmart me?
No, no, no.
Watch this, just like that. Just what I needed.
Ew.
Oh yeah, time for another snack. Delicious.
Oh yeah, I love boxing. It's so fascinating. Oh no, not him again.
So, someone took my spot. What are we gonna do?
No, no, please, I just want to finish watching.
Okay, we'll try a different approach.
No.
Come on, move. Come on, get out of here. It's so nice here. Go take a walk.
You big stinker. Now you've made me mad. You're going to get it. I'll go train and I'll definitely get that spot back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, I can feel it. Jump, jump. I can feel the power growing. Take that, take that, take that, you big stinker. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, I'm getting stronger. 1, 2, 3. Take that. Oh yes, now you're going to get it.
Whoa. Sorry, I was just kidding. No, please don't hit me, please.
Take this, take this, take this.
Ouch, okay, I'm leaving.
Bye-bye, stinker. Move off my spot. And we're back in business. All done. Hey, human, pay attention to me.
Mimi, go away.
Oh, you, I want to play.
Come on, go away. Can't you see I'm sitting with my girlfriend? Shoo, get out.
Oh, you flesh bag. That's it, you'll regret this. I have a secret weapon you don't even know about. It's going to hurt now. Poke, poke, poke.
Ouch, that hurts. What is that? Ow.
Serves you right. Now, drink some water. Yeah, just like that.
What the? Damn, my mouth's full of water. What's happening?
But that's not all. Take this and this.
Oh, I think I've got a cramp in my stomach.
And here's some poop for you. Take that.
Oh, what's happening to me? I think I need to go.
Ew.
Ew.
Sorry, I've got to run.
Ew. That's how it's done.
That was strange. Huh? What, Mimi?
So what now, human? Want to play with me?
All right, let's play then. What's this? Looks like some kind of notebook. Let me take a look. Ah, it's Mimi's diary. Okay. She's lying down and not looking. That means I can take a peek. What's in here, huh? Don't trust him? What? What does that mean? I don't get it.
Uh-oh, he found my diary. Time for a karate chop. Serves you right. Well, since we're at it, let's go down the list. First up, a surprise in the middle of the room. There we go. Perfect. Done. Next, I haven't laid on that black t-shirt in a while. much better. It needed some of my fur. Done. And now, my favorite. Time to knock something over, just like that. And a little more. There. Done. Oh, my owner's going to love this. Jump! Let's go, let's go, let's go! What can I say? Smell the butt! Yep, just like that. Perfect. Mission accomplished.
Ugh, what happened to me? What's in my mouth? Fur? How did it get here? Ew, gross.
What a lovely day. Huh? What do we have here? Wow, a cat spa. Let's go. Interesting place. Let's see. Wow, can I get a massage, please? Here's some money. Uh-huh. Hey, where are you taking me? Oh, what a strange place. Okay, I trust you.
Hello. Let's get your nails done. Snip, snip, snip. Then we'll apply some cream. And after that, we'll file your nails. Oh, and of course, a massage.
Oh, that was so strange. Okay, time for some experiments. Let's take some liquid soap. There we go. Now let's add some dye, just a little bit. Perfect. Baking soda. Oh, excellent. Now we mix it up and pour in the vinegar. Careful. Step back. Wow, what an effect. So cool. And it's blue too. Perfect.
Huh, what's going on here? Cat, what is this mess? You're going to have to clean this up using this list.
Okay, I'll clean it up.
I'm watching you. Go ahead.
All right, let's do this. Clean the table with the owner's t-shirt. Done. Throw it in the washing machine. And done. Next, water the plants. Got some water myself too, huh?
Cat, what are you doing?
Oh, drink some water. Better than yelling at me. Done. Now time to wash the dishes. There we go. Perfect.
Well, what do we have here? You did everything. Good job, Cat.
Time to stop working. I really need to use the bathroom. Run, run, run! Or else there's gonna be a disaster. Huh? What the? Oh no!
What happened, Cat?
Oh my gosh, not this! Oh no! Time to get out of here!
What's wrong with him? What's that smell? Okay, maybe I'm imagining things. Wow, this is amazing.
Something's happening here. Wow. They're putting gummy candies in water and they're doubling in size. How cool is that? I need to try this. Let's go before anyone sees. Grab a few gummies, and put them in the water. Perfect. Now, let's watch. Wow, they got bigger. We need to do the same with marshmallows. And with chips, too.
What's going on? Where are my gummies? Are they in the water? Oh no! How gross! Ew. I need to find out who did this. What? Marshmallows too? And chips. All right, I think I know who did this. Let's go find them. Cat, admit it, was it you?
No, it wasn't me. Are you kidding?
Well, let's check. We'll measure your paws, like this. And compare them to the fingerprints. So. Matches? Let's check somewhere else. Matches? And here too. Well, it looks like someone's going to jail. Bye-bye, cat.
No, please, not jail. Wow, what an awesome game. I could play it forever. Hi, Grandma. What do we have here? Oh no, not him again.
What? Mimi? Actually, that's my laptop.
No, please let me keep playing.
Oh no, I'm taking it back. Sorry.
You stinky human!
Finally, I can get some work done. Sorry, Mimi.
Well, it's okay. I've got a plan. Let's distract him with this cup. Just a little push. Perfect!
Huh? The cup fell again? Okay, I'll go pick it up.
Perfect. The next step of my plan is to send a message to his boss. Let's type. Dear boss, I quit. Meow, 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 meow. Perfect. Send. And now, let's swap this laptop for a cooler one. I've got a buddy. Hey, how's it going? Oh, awesome. Just what I need.
All right, I've cleaned up. Wait, what? What's this? What is this? Oh no! Is that a mouse? Okay, and this monitor with Mimi? How am I supposed to work with this? Oh man, I don't know.
I'm ready to play this game myself.
What, I got a message? Let's see. I'm fired? What?
Uh-oh, time for me to go.
Oh, Mimi, you're in trouble!
Who's the smartest? It's me! Who's the smartest? It's me again! Hi, teacher!
Hello, class. Today we have this problem to solve.
Ha ha ha! This is so easy! Okay, the answer is 3, huh?
No, that's not correct. The answer isn't 3.
What? Let's try again. All right. Let's erase that and write 1 plus 1.
Oh no!
Okay, let's give it another shot. This time, the answer is 1.
Oh no!
All right, this is my last chance. Let's do this. The answer is 4. Ha ha ha!
Well, that's it. My patience has run out. I'm giving you the worst grade.
Oh no, my owner's gonna be so mad. Oh no, but I've got a plan. Let's change this grade with a little life hack. Just like that. And one more time. Aha! Perfect! And the last one. There we go. Awesome! My owner is going to be so happy. Uh-huh.
Huh? What do we have here? Let's take a look. Good grade. You did great, Mimi.
Thank you.